Welcome to the definitive guide on configuring a SIP trunk for mobile telecommunications. Before we begin, ensure you have administrative access to your VoIP system and the SIP trunk details from your provider. First, navigate to the SIP trunk configuration section within your VoIP platform. Input the SIP trunk details meticulously, including the domain, proxy, and registration information. Set the correct authentication credentials, typically a username and password provided by your SIP trunk service. Configure the call capacity to align with your company's expected call volume and call needs. Apply the codec settings that best suit your network's bandwidth and audio quality requirements. Define the dial plan rules to ensure proper routing of inbound and outbound calls through the SIP trunk. Test the configuration by making a test call to verify connectivity and audio quality. Troubleshoot common issues, such as registration failures or poor call quality, with our expert tips. Collaborate with your team to ensure the SIP trunk integrates seamlessly with your existing telecommunications infrastructure.
My Country Mobile, your communication and technology partner.